Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm back again with another new video. Guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you today the tutorial of making this hair. Guys, I'm so happy that I came out with another new style today, and I really need you to help me subscribe. You guys who are still new to my channels, help me subscribe and share with friends and families. I have interesting videos, and I want to just thank my clients and those who are in need of this type of hair. I always messages from them, and they really need this hair. But guys, give me your colors and give the style. I will make it the way you wanted me to make it for you. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and continue to watch my videos, and you will see more and more. And if you want to learn, you will learn more. So thank you, and please watch this video until the end, from the beginning until the end. Today's video is very interesting. So guys, thank you very much. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye. Yeah, here I start by my feeding bread. I'm feeding this bread, so guys, you can see how it's looking. I'm making it all down. I'm planting it down on a thread so that after then I can use on a cape. Guys, watch. I'm doing it slowly so that you can learn how to make this. Watch out this beautiful braiding. So I used 2 packets of this purple color, and I've used the black, half of it. Yeah, it's looking nice, and I'm making it big size so that it will look so neat and nice. That's how my clients ordered for it. So thank you very much, guys, and those who really need this type of hair, please contact me. I will make it for you the way you want it, your size, your colors, your styles, any. So thank you very much, guys. I love you all. Watch this and see. So I'm done. This is how I made it. I made 18 pieces of these braids, feeding braids. So I'm ready to show you. This is the cape. I'm putting it in a manicured head, and I'm going to show you how I use the closer. I'm using this, and I have to tie it down with a pin, and I have to sew it down too, and I'll cut out the excess net. Here I just place it down with a pin so that to see how much braids I really need. So I think it's enough. I got 18 pieces of this breads, the feeding bread. So that's how it is, and I'm going to sew down all the behind side, all down. So guys, see how it's looking, very nice and neat. You just have to use your color, your foundation to pick to use on that closer. And I'm making baby hair with this. You can see how it's looking, very nice and neat. Guys, please, if you love this, please, if this video is helpful, help me like and give your comment. Love you guys.